I was going to describe the project, but that kind of does. The project goals were to see how introducing broadband to our senior population, people ages 65 and up who are still living in their homes, how it can really allow them to stay living at home longer and to be a part of the community, and to identify barriers that they have. I wasn't really familiar with what I would be taking on, and I have learned a ton, and so I'm thankful for that. Learning about broadband and who our providers are in the community, and what are the barriers, and what are the barriers to seniors, and how I was surprised to see that some of the barriers I thought would be there aren't there for seniors. So we are working together with a web-based software company out of the cities called Homestream. And they're a relatively new company that is launching their Homestream product, which is actually, their web-based software is what enables the seniors to connect with loved ones that live somewhere else. So with the project dollars, we were able to purchase 21 computers, 10 touchscreen computers that go into the seniors' homes, so they're very easy for the seniors to use. They just can activate their computer by touching the screens. And so 10 for seniors and 1 for my office. And then we were able to purchase 10 laptop computers, which then would be given to family members of these seniors, so they could actually connect through a Skype type experience. And so they could see loved ones, they could hear, they could talk to their loved ones, and then we wanted to see what the outcomes were of that, how they could really reduce isolation to the seniors, improve their quality of health, and just to see what the outcomes would be. So that's what was really exciting about the project, is we didn't know what the outcomes were going to be, but we knew they were going to be good, so it's to go through and identify and to learn as we go. We do have 10 seniors that are currently utilizing this program. We have all 10 that are signed up, and they are connected with 15 family members. So we are up and going. Our latest addition is we have, and this is one of my favorite stories, we have a 92-year-old lady who within the last year and a half, she was not able to do her volunteer work anymore. And Willmar Senior Network is a volunteer-based organization, so we have volunteers that go into seniors' homes and do things that allow them to stay living at home longer. And so volunteering is very important to us as well. And so in visiting with this senior, and she was going to the Head Start program to be a foster grandma to these kids 2 or 3 times a week, and her health was such that it was more dangerous for her to go out in the icy weather to get to these kids, so she just had to stay home. So when this project came up, I talked to her and I said, if we could get you connected through this technology so you can volunteer and read books to these kids and do one-on-ones with these kids, would you like to do that? And I remember she's like 92. She goes, I would love that. And so one of the barriers I thought with seniors, that they're going to be scared of this technology. They're not going to want to learn one more thing. But she was so excited to do that. So that's our recent connection, is to the Head Start program. So she will be able to volunteer again at age 92. So that's pretty exciting.